Hello and welcome back to Top 10 Den, the channel where we explore different topics and provide you with the best tips and tricks. Today's video is all about making new friends, and we'll be sharing with you the top 10 ways to make new friends. Whether you're new to a city or just looking to expand your social circle, these tips are for you. 1. Join a club or group. Joining a club or group based on your interests is a great way to meet like-minded people. Whether it's a sports team, book club, or a language exchange group, you'll be surrounded by people who share your interests. 2. Attend meetup events. Meetup is a platform that connects people with common interests. You can search for events and groups in your area and attend events that align with your interests. 3. Volunteer. Volunteering is not only a great way to give back to your community, but it's also an excellent way to meet new people. Whether it's a local charity, animal shelter, or hospital, you'll meet people who are passionate about making a difference. 4. Take a class. Taking a class or workshop is another way to meet people with similar interests. Whether it's cooking, art, or fitness, you'll be learning a new skill while also socializing with others. 5. Attend networking events. Networking events are not just for business professionals. You can attend industry-specific events or general networking events to meet people who share your career interests or aspirations. 6. Join online communities. There are plenty of online communities dedicated to various interests, and joining them can help you connect with people all around the world. Whether it's a subreddit, Facebook group, or Discord server, you can chat with people who share your interests. 7. Attend festivals and events. Festivals and events are a great way to meet people who are celebrating a common interest. Whether it's a music festival, art show, or food festival, you'll be surrounded by people who share your passion. 8. Join a gym or fitness class. Joining a gym or fitness class is a great way to stay active and healthy, but it's also an excellent way to meet people who share your fitness goals. You can attend group classes or participate in team sports to socialize with others. 9. Attend social gatherings. Social gatherings such as house parties, game nights, or happy hours are a great way to connect with people in a relaxed setting. You can invite your existing friends or join a group of people who are organizing a gathering. 10. Approach people. Sometimes making new friends is as simple as approaching someone and starting a conversation, whether it's at a coffee shop, bookstore, or park. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with someone who seems interesting. That's it for today's video on the top 10 ways to make new friends. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll try some of them out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Top 10 Den for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.